Good morning, students. Be safe, be responsible. Now it's time to revise chapter number 3 from your book, An Alien End. So, chapter name is The Desert. So, we used to heard about desert, that desert a type of place which is generally without water and vegetation. A highly believed thought that they are endless stretch of dry, hot, waterless and shelterless land. Okay, they didn't have shelter over there. On the other hand, experts find it to be a beautiful place. Some expert told that deserts are very beautiful. Desert is very beautiful place. Okay, it is the home of a variety of people, animals, and plants that have learned to live under very hot and dry conditions. Deserts to have flowers which bloom with the rain, which is quite rare. Okay, it is very rare to hear that desert are beautiful. They desert have the flowers and beauty. So it is very rare to heard. Okay, it is always the barren wasteland of dry. And but there are many other fascinating things about the desert, like mountains and hills, houses, etc. Okay, and Oasis is a green island basically in the middle of desert where a spring or a well gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. It's a fertile land in the desert. Okay, so there are deserts which are hot like Thar desert and cold like Ladakh. There are many types of desert in the all over the world, or we can say in India. So like there are some hot desert like Thar desert, and there are some cold desert like Ladakh. So Ladakh is also a desert land, okay, but it is a cold desert. However, a place with little or no water and vegetation comes under the definition of a desert. In desert with very less water, strong winds makes heaps of sand, and we call them sand dunes. The heap of sand is called sand dunes in desert areas. Okay, so very few plants can survive on such dry and shifting sands. All living beings need water for their survival. Though the plants and animals develop the ability to survive the scarcity of water. For example, camel, also known as the ship of the desert, what we call used to call the camels the ship of the desert. Why we call them? Because they can drink a lot of water at one time and can survive on that for many days, because their lifestyle is like they are king of desert. Camels sweat very little, and they can also withstand high body temperature. This helps camels to retain water for a long period. Some smaller animals do not drink water. They burrow underground during the day and come out at night. They went out inside the earth, okay, during the day and come out at night. They fulfill their need of water from the moisture in the insect meat or from the plant juices also. Desert plants also get used to the life they live. They are very used to their life. For example, cactus plants can store water in their thick stems. It is it is its procedure to fulfill his need for water. Desert plants also get used to these type of circumstances, we can say. Okay, so the main characteristics of the all the deserts are dryness and variations of temperature. That is, they have hot day and very cold nights. So that type of circumstances of desert areas, and all the creatures, all the living beings who live there, they are very used to of these circumstances, these uh, activities, or these temperature, all the things, all the life, we can say. So that is all about the desert. So you have to revise it again, you have to read it deeply, and then learn the question answers, then revise again. If you have any doubt, you can ask me directly in the school. Okay, student? Till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.